ladies and gentlemen, it's the Three Stooges for mirth and madness.
I'm Moe.
Simple and screwy.
I'm Shemp.
Loony and ludicrous.
I'm Larry.
Yes, the Three Stooges of civil gentlemen. When it comes to any kind of business, they're dry as monkeys. Look at this dry monkey business, which tonight is interior decorating.
Hey, Egghead. I'm ready to dictate.
Yes, sir.
Get away from here. What's the matter with you? Are you an idiot? An imbecile? A moron? What are you laughing at?
8 to 5, I'm in there someplace.
Come on. Get over there and straighten up the file. Hey, Broccoli Head. Come here. Do you think you can take a letter?
I don't think I know.
I don't think you know either, but go ahead. Dear sir. What do you got so far?
How do you spell sorry?
In your case, C-U-R. Continue. We are in receipt of your letter of the 16th and a reply. Remind me to send your head to the cleaners with the rest of the flat work. Get away from here.
All right, I'll use pen and ink. That's what I'll do. Come in.
Come in.
Pardon me, gentlemen.
Oh, yes.
I'm Mr. Pennyfeather. Are you gentlemen painters and paper hangers?
We painters and paper hangers.
Are we painters and paper hangers?
Are we?
Why, you clumsy fools!
Oh, we're so sorry.
My clothes are all full of ink.
Oh, we'll fix that up, Larry. Now, take it easy. That's a nice grade of gabardine you got
Be
there.
careful with it, then.
All right, stand by. I knew I had to.
What is that?
Ink remover.
Ink remover. But look at this!
Oh, we'll have that off in a jiffy. You don't need that pocket anyhow. Go ahead.
Why, certainly.
My best suit! And look at my shirt!
You don't need that anyway.
Look here, Nickelfeather.
Pennyfeather!
Do you realize you've just struck one of the toughest men from the state of Texas? Go ahead, tell him.
Tell him, boy.
Now, look here, neighbor.
Now, wait a minute there, Nickelfeather.
Pennyfeather!
You have again sullied the fair name of the great sovereign state of Texas. Order him off the premises.
You heard what I told you before.
Oh. Hike! 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 Here we go! Hike!
Hello.
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 Hello. How are you?
Why, oh, it's you. I didn't expect to see you right here. I knew we were in the...
Quiet! Oh, hello? Hello?
Is this a Miracle Paint Company?
Yes, it is, and our motto is if it's a good paint job, it's a miracle. What can we do for you, madam?
Well, I'd like to have my house painted and wallpapered in a hurry.
Well, that's how we do everything.
Are your prices reasonable?
We charge what the traffic will bear. Just a minute. How's the traffic today?
Heavy.
That'll be $100.
Your prices are crazy.
Oh, so's the California traffic.
Well, how soon can you be over?
Hold it. Get the color book out of the file. Why, we can be right over.
The address is 442 Smith Street.
We'll be right over.
I can't get... Oh! What's that thing? Oh!
Can't open the little file drawer. How did you ever get so stupid?
I got a charge account. What's your excuse?
Remind me to lower your salary and raise your forehead. Get out of here.
Oh! Uh-huh.
That's a queer contraption.
Yeah, ain't that quaint?
Ain't.
Yeah.
You mean isn't.
Yeah, isn't that quizzing?
See, that's the way to do it. You gotta use your head.
Oh, you...
I saw you, and it's good for you. Good for you. Step aside and let an intelligent man show you how.
Intelligent?
Yeah.
How did you get so smart?
I went to college. I graduated. Went to Swedish massage college.
Why did you go into that business?
I couldn't find enough Swedes to massage. That's all I had.
Never mind. Open that thing.
Yeah,
Why,
sure,
certainly.
man. Go ahead. Oh! All right, go ahead. You went. I'll get...
Oh, what happened? He opened it, all right. We gotta get going.
Wait a minute.
What?
We got to take our paint supplies with us.
Move the paint.
Come on.
Make way! We gotta get in here.
We got to get our stuff ready.
I gotta get my...
I know where the paint.
Right behind there with the paint stuff.
All right.
Hey, you get the painting book out of the file.
All right, fix this for me, will you?
Oh, it's open now. Oh, my arm! Oh, my arm! They broke my arm! Oh, my arm is broken!
Hey. It's open.
Oh. Here's the coloring book.
Culinary arts. Culinary arts. Painting. I always thought culinary arts was about cooking.
Shows you how wrong you can be. Culinary arts has got to do with colors.
Yeah. Oh, you have something there.
Where?
Never mind. We got to get over to the lady's house in a hurry. Let's go.
Get over here. Get your prep.
All right, I'll get that brush over there. And take that...
Darling, I never went through anything like I did this afternoon with those confounded painters. I hope I never see them again.
Don't worry, dear. I have some other painters coming over right away.
Good. They're not from Texas, are they?
What difference would that make?
Oh, you'd be surprised. Are they coming over soon? You know how important it is. After all, I have
Yes, dear, I know. You're bringing the boss home for dinner, and you don't want him to see this old torn wallpaper and these soiled walls. Me so 100 times.
Well, my boss is peculiar. He likes everything spick and span.
Tell him to go jump in the lake.
Well, no, he prefers the ocean. He says the salt water...
Never mind. Now run along, dear, and don't worry. I've taken out most of the furniture so the men can get right to work.
Good.
Goodbye, dear. But where are those painters? We haven't much time. Only 4 hours to do this whole... That must be the painters now.
Hey,
Don't tell me I'm telling you.
We have a thing.
And you over there, take those pots off that chair. That's a genuine Duncan fight.
Duncan Fife, eh? I'll take them off. Don't worry about it.
What's the matter?
That Duncan should be careful where he leaves his fife.
I would like to introduce my 2 assistants. This is Monsieur Schemp. When it comes to blending colors, he's a mix master.
He is.
Yeah, sometimes we stand him in the bowl and bake a cake with him.
Charmed, I'm sure.
Come on, get out of here. Oh, and this is Monsieur Larry, master paper hanger. Everywhere he's recognized as a great paper hanger.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes. Everywhere I go, they say this guy should hang. Charm.
And I, of course, head this outfit, lock, stock, and barrel.
He's a barrel head.
Oh, this is outrageous. Get to work at once, you ruffian.
No, take it easy, lady. Let's not be in a hurry. You know what that great man said about being in a hurry? I forgot his name. Anyhow, he said you... How do you like that? I forgot what he said.
Yeah, well, never mind. Now, look, I want this room done in robin's egg blue.
Lady, we ain't got no time to go out robbing eggs.
Oh, here's the coloring book.
Now, before we look at the color book, Monsieur Schemp, as an expert, tell us confidentially, what, in your opinion, would make this room look inviting, livable, and good to the eye?
Confidentially?
Yeah.
Just a minute. Who's the guy next to you?
Well, it's you.
Oh, that's okay. Then I can be trusted. Now, what did you want to know?
I said, what, in your opinion, would make this room look inviting, livable, and good to the eye?
Food, drink, and a couple of dates.
My word.
What's the matter with him?
I think he's getting better. We better take him to a doctor. His brain's clearing up.
You'll have to excuse his manners, ma'am.
Oh, thank you. At least there's one gentleman in your midst.
You said it, babe. Pardon me. Now, for the colors you want, let's look in this culinary book.
I can't understand it. It says mixed vinegar and salad oil. Then add lettuce, tomatoes, and diced carrots. What kind of paint is that?
My lady, ain't you heard of vegetable dyes?
Yeah, I'll go to the vegetable and get some.
Now, if you don't like that mixture, we have many more to suit your taste. Now, oh, here's a dilly. It says here you take chopped apples, walnuts, mayonnaise, and dip in French dressing.
Well, you're not going to use that in my house.
Why not? Some night when you don't feel like cooking, you can eat off the wall.
Off the wall?
Why, certainly. A walled-off salad. I got that out of my own head.
You better put it back before somebody steps on it.
Well, here's the vegetables. What color do you want for that wall?
Oh, wait a minute, please.
How about a nice tomato red?
Tomato red.
My wall.
Hold that. Thanks. Get out of here, see? Good for you.
Thank you. You go ahead. You like these guys messing around. Hold it. Hold it. We got nothing left to put on the walls now. We'll have to go back to regular paint.
Well, thank heavens. Now, gentlemen, will you please hurry? My husband and his boss are coming to dinner, and the whole house must be finished before they get here.
Don't worry, madam. What do you want us to do first?
Well, I want that wall papered and that one painted.
You heard what the lady said. Get going.
That wall papered and that one painted.
I think if we put a gorgeous pink on this side, we might straighten the thing out. And of course, if we take a nice mustard brown, as sure from ceiling to thing, our blending experts can blend them both together. Now then, if we take and make that door an old rose, we can of course take it with a mustard brown and wave it right in. We can blend all those things together. Now when it comes here, we'll settle the whole thing by perhaps putting a dash of lavender over the whole thing, sort of make it a kind of a modernistic thing.
You gotta use your head to get this thing up here. I know what I'm doing here. I know that. There it is.
Now that is what you call efficiency. When we get through, this room will be the greatest room from the rock-bound coast of Marjorie, Maine, to the sunny slopes of Lanaturna.
Oh, good. Oh, by the way, do you think you can repair that picture? It's a painting of my daughter, done by Whistler. Oh, surely you've heard of Whistler?
Oh, sure. I listen to his radio program all the time. Now, don't worry, ma'am. I'll take care of it.
Well, thank you. Now, I'll leave you boys to get to work, and please hurry.
Yes, ma'am. Hey, fellas, come here. You think we can fix that?
I don't see anything wrong with it right now.
What a bathe. Oh, wait a minute. Remember, we are gentlemen first, and our feelings come second.
Well, let's get out of first and shift to second.
Oh, boy! Oh. Easy up the two of them. Yeah! What happened? Oh, I don't know. What happened?
Boys, I forgot to tell you. Please be very careful with that table. It's a very fine old table.
All right. Yeah. We'll make it look like new again. Yeah. Start on the table first, boys. Let's go.
You got your brush here? All right. All right.
Well, you know you have
Hey! You were never cut out to be a painter, brother.
Oh, that's just a means to an end.
No.
What are you... Oh, hey, stupid! What are you doing? Don't you realize what you're doing?
What I'm doing?
Come on, get busy.
All right, go ahead. Blaming me.
What's going on here? Will you please stop that whole thing? What are you doing here? Form, where you're standing up
Wait a
there.
minute, no. It's your fault. No, you don't.
Come out. You guys go in and paint the bedroom. I'll handle this. Go ahead. All right, I'll leave the bucket right here. Come in. Yes?
How do you do? My name is Fink. I represent the Punxsutawney Pressure Cooker Company, Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania. We make the finest pressure cooker.
Hey, Mo, come in here and help us with the paint, will you?
Quiet. Can't come in now. I'm talking to a salesman. What'd you say, bud?
How do you do? My name is Fink. I represent the Punxsutawney Pressure Cooker Company, Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania. We make the finest pressure
Hey,
cooker.
Mo! What color paint should I use in this bedroom? Should I use the blue to match the lady's eyes or the brown to match her hair?
Use the green to match your complexion. Pretty funny crack, eh, Bud?
How do you do? My name is Pink. I represent the Punxsutawney Pressure Cooker Company of Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania. We make the finest pressure cooker.
Hey, Mo, come in here and help us, will you?
Stop bothering me. I'm busy. What'd you say, Bud?
How do you do? My name is Pink. I represent the Punxsutawney Pressure Cooker Company of
Wait a minute. Why do you keep saying the same words over and over again? Is this your magnificent obsession?
No, you see, that's the way they teach us down at the office.
Well, why don't you try saying it in your own words? It might be a little more convincing.
Oh, okay, I'll try. Now, you see this little valve here? Well, the steam goes around, monkeys around in here, and then you see, the steam well, you see the bottom here, how do you do? My name is I represent the Punxsutawney Pressure Cooker Company of Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania.
Oh, so this is why you're so busy.
Yeah, go ahead, Bud.
How do you do? My name is...
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah! Go ahead, Bud.
How do you do? My name is...
Oh, I caught you, Hank, trying to get away without working, eh?
Yeah, go ahead, Bud.
How do you do?
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah. Go ahead, Bud.
How do you do? My name...
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Go ahead, Bud.
How do you do?
My name is Fink. Wait a minute! Hey, that's a pressure cooker. That's a mighty fine item, Bud.
It is?
Yeah, with that thing, you can make a beef stew in 2 minutes.
You can?
Yeah, and in 4 minutes you make a whole turkey dinner.
Heavens to Betsy. I think I'd like to have one of those.
Well, a small deposit will hold it.
All right. Here's $5.
You hold it.
Oh, that's what my wife has always wanted one of these. Oh, she'll be...
We seem to attract the oddest people.
Yeah, that guy reminds me of my uncle. He was an igloo manufacturer.
An igloo manufacturer? How do you manufacture igloos?
Simple, you just take 2 eggs and glue them together.
Goodness, aren't you boys working yet?
How do you do? I represent the...
Quiet! You heard what the lady said. Get to work.
And what are you going to do?
Nothing. What about it?
Oh, I just thought I'd ask. I just like that.
I gotta do this right.
I was afraid of that.
Oh, I can see like an owl now.
We got to get that wallpapering done, boys.
Yes, sir.
Get a move on now.
I'm stirring it. Don't worry about it.
All right, come on.
I got it.
Got some wallpaper.
Right up there.
All right,
All right, go ahead.
Yeah, we are very efficient.
All right, go ahead. Well, I got that. All right, I'll take this here thing there and I'll get that over here and put that down there. That's it. That's the way to take it. The way we go.
Bring it over, boy. Come on, bring it over.
That looks great now. Believe me, that looks fine.
I do think the potatoes will be finished soon.
Good, good. The boss will be here in a half hour.
Well, I'm serving buffet style.
Well, that's
because,
all right,
yeah,
too,
it's
darling.
One of the easiest ways
Would
of
you
doing
mind
it.
holding this?
Oh, that looks great.
Oh, Clara Brown, darling. I'm so sorry, darling. But, Clara, how can I undo the wrongs that have been done? Look, stay here, fellas. You can't do...
Hey, this paste is getting lumpy.
Yeah.
Hey, listen. What'd he say? Hey, Nitwit.
Yeah.
Come on, get this paper off of him.
I'll take it off. Just hold still there a minute. Go ahead, hold still.
Careful! Hey, what's the matter with you? Nuts or something? Why, you... Clean them up, that's all your fault.
All right, I'll clean him up. Hold still there. Hold still there now. Watch out. Go ahead. All right, now. He's got tender skin. That's what...
Yes, I have. Be very careful with it.
All right.
You!
It's quarter feather.
Pretty feather! I'll kill all of you! Why, you imbecile! You're the one who hired them!
Call me an imbecile.
Yes!
You?
Imbecile! Where did they go? Where did they go? I'll find them! Wait till I get my hands on those three moronic, stupid, bouncing... Not that way, boys. That's the kitchen. This is the way out.
Oh, thanks. Say, you're not mad at us?
Of course not.
Well, it was a pleasure to do your painting and paper hanging.
And it's a pleasure to do yours.
Goodbye.
And so ends the episode in which our Three Stooges tried their luck as interior decorators and met with misfortune. However, will they be cowards and never try it again? Are they spineless jellyfish? Quitters?
You bet your life we are.